and Tarrant this evening. Hey, Cynthia.
Hello.
Hey there. What's on your mind?
I actually have two questions. The first question is there a certain length of time that you have to claim injuries as far as a car accident is concerned if you had no visible, pain or anything at the time of the accident?
Okay.
And now, is there a certain length of time that you have to say, well, look, I believe this is as the result, this injury is the result of this accident?
Okay. So first of all, I guess statute of limitations.
Sure.
What is that?
Sure. In Alabama, the statute of limitations for an injury in a car accident is 2 years. And that basically means that you have 2 years to file the lawsuit
From the time it happens,
to
moving
preserve
forward.
the claim. But most often is the case, your claim, if you contact an attorney will send a letter of representation to the other party's insurance company, and will try to negotiate a settlement for you based on your injuries. If a settlement is not reached prior to filing a lawsuit, the attorney would have to file a lawsuit within 2 years after the accident.
And go ahead.
So, I wanted to just speak, and you were probably going to cue it, but I want to talk just a little bit about our question about how long can you wait in order to claim an injury.
Sure.
And that's something that's very important, that I think that everyone out there, that if you've been involved in an accident, you want to think about right then and there, when the accident occurs, your adrenaline's rushing, you really, a lot of people don't feel the pain right then. A lot of people go to the emergency room anyway. Some people don't, but then they'll come into the office, and you've seen it 100 times. Absolutely. You can tell them, look, if your accident was yesterday, you're going to start feeling bad, this afternoon. Tomorrow's going to be bad, and then really about the third day, you're really going to wish you're going to need some help. Yeah. And so what I suggest is in these situations, don't be too tough to get treatment, because you have to document your treatment. If you don't document that you're having these pains, if you don't document it and the doctor doesn't do something for you, then what the insurance company is going to say later on down the road is, well, you weren't hurt. And your word is not going to be enough to say, I was hurt, I just didn't go get treatment. It's going to have to be documented by a third party. But now, there again, if you're not injured, don't go to the doctor and claim you're injured. You have to be truthful, and that will always bear out in a claim like this. But if you are injured, you've got to tell somebody.
Right. Contact an attorney and seek treatment as soon as possible.
Exactly.